Chism Automation's aluminum casting buffing systems provide a repeatable process for sealing surface preparation. An operator loads an unprocessed casting and removes a completed casting from the machine. Castings are locked into position and a rotary indexer moves the parts to the buffing operation. A robot manipulates a servo buffing system to uniformly buff the sealing surface, while a compliance system holds the buffing pad against the surface with uniform pressure. A cleaning robot manipulates an alcohol wipe pad to remove any remaining debris or oil from the sealing surface. The complete process casting is returned to the operator. When the life of the buffing pad is consumed, the robot removes the pad by dragging it across a pad stripper. A new pad is picked from the pad supply tray. The cleaning robot routinely reapplies alcohol to the wiping pad and replaces it after a set number of cycles. Contact Chism Automation for professional-level automation solutions.